Chrissy going for the lead. There goes Detective and there goes Black and Fancy. Into the turn they race and on a far outside it's Call Me Chrissy. Call Me Chrissy now to take it and Black and Fancy. In second by 2 lengths Camper Charlie. In third now by 4 lengths it's Snow Mose and fourth by 3. Then comes Maximigo Detective. Miss Green Train and Lady Perry at the end. They're moving for the quarter. Call Me Chrissy has the lead by 2 lengths, followed by Black and Fancy. They're by the quarter 29 and 1. Call Me Chrissy a length, that's Black and Fancy. In second by 3 lengths, Camper Charlie. Third now by 4 lengths, Snow Mose and fourth. That's Maximigo in fifth. Detective, Miss Green Jean and Lady Perry. Positions unchanged as they race for the half. And up front, Daryl Bossy and Call Me Chrissy maintain a 2-length lead. Black and Fancy in second by 3 lengths, Camper Charlie. In third, it's Snow Mose in fourth. Detective in fifth and Maximigo. Now they're off the half. A minute and 4. Into the clubhouse turn then Call Me Chrissy maintains a length lead. It's Black and Fancy. Right there in second, Camper Charlie is now driving out of third. There goes Detective, ranging up in fourth, Snow Mose, Maximigo. Now they curve into the backstretch, moving for the final quarter. And Call Me Chrissy has the lead a length and a half. Black and Fancy. Here comes Detective. Now fourth, now third on the outside. Camper Charlie in third, followed by Snow Mose. Now they drive into the far turn. Call Me Chrissy by 2. Black and Fancy in second, Detective and Camper Charlie around the turn. Call Me Chrissy has the lead. Black and Fancy now charging up on the outside. Here they come turning for home. Call Me Chrissy now by 3. It's Black and Fancy out for the drive. Daryl Bossy coming to the whip. Call Me Chrissy has the lead. It's Call Me Chrissy.